Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Today I'm going to be busy cooking in my kitchen, and the recipes that I need today, I need brown sugar. And guess what? I used up the rest of my brown sugar this morning when I was making pancakes for breakfast. And I didn't realize I didn't have an extra container of brown sugar. But guess what? I know how to make brown sugar, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it too, so that you don't have to run to the store when you run out of different ingredients. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make 2 cups of brown sugar. And for each cup of regular white sugar that I have in here, I have 2 cups in here, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of molasses to it. So I have 2 teaspoons in here, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So I measured out the 2 teaspoons of granulated white sugar, and I added 2 teaspoons of the molasses. I'm just going to kind of stir this up here a little, and I'm going to need to use my fingers. And I removed my rings so that they wouldn't get in this either. But you can see I have the molasses on here. I'm going to show you too. I buy local molasses at the store, and it's made here locally. But you can buy any kind of molasses you want in the store. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this molasses I had on here. If you want to make a dark brown sugar, you would double the amount of molasses that you're going to use. So all you do is you just work this up. And we'll see what color we end up with. And it might be that I'll need to add more, I don't know. But today I'm going to be doing a pork roast that I put brown sugar in. And I'm going to be doing an apple crisp and also baked apples. So I definitely need brown sugar for all 3 of those things. And you just kind of mix this up till the molasses gets all mixed up into this white sugar. And then you're going to have some beautiful light brown sugar, and that's what I need today. You just work that molasses in through your fingers. It smells good. But we'll be right back, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Hi, well, welcome back. As you can see, I mixed up all that molasses with my sugar, and I do need to tell you that when the beginning of this video, I had said 2 teaspoons of white sugar to 2 teaspoons of molasses, and that's wrong. It's 2 cups of white sugar to 2 teaspoons of molasses. So anyway, it's very easy to do. It took me about 2 minutes to get all of this molasses worked up into the sugar, and now I'm ready to go ahead and cook this afternoon. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye.